welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today I'm here to talk to you about something. I thought I would show you this while I talk to you about the something. I've been faced with a dilemma for a while. In my state, I have to charge tax for my state. And there are certain rules about selling to other states, which I'm complying with. But selling to other countries has become a bigger and bigger problem. Just turn on the news. I'm not going to go into all that. But what I don't want to do is lose my friends all over the world. I love having friends and knowing people in different places. It's awesome. And so I don't want them to feel excluded, okay? So the best solution that I can come up with is to do a membership on my channel. Now, anybody can join the membership. If you just want to support my channel, that's great, thank you. But if you join the membership, I'll have certain things that you get one free journal kit per quarter. Okay, that's my way of including everyone and not excluding. Okay, that it just is what it is right now. Because I can't sell even digitals to other countries at the moment. And so in a membership, you're not paying me for a digital journal kit. You're just buying the membership. And of course, you can opt out of the membership at any time. You don't have to stay in it, okay? There's that. Okay, I made some notes so I can try to cover everything. I'm still learning, and I might expand the membership if things work out really great or whatever. I'll try to do some things, you know, more things. But right now it's going to be one free journal kit per quarter. And the price for the membership is going to be $5.99. I'm sorry, that's what I have to do. YouTube takes 30% of every payment you make to me. So to get things to average out at the end of the year, balance out for me to get the money that I charge normally for a journal kit. You know what I mean? It has to be that way. Anyways, so let's see. Yep, I said that. You can opt out of the memberships if you don't feel like you're getting value for your money. Just, you know, hop right on out of there. I'm going to try to make it. Right now, I just can do what I'm doing. But I'm thinking about expansions for it. If things work out and everybody loves a membership, then, you know, I'll do videos, I'll do extra freebies and stuff like that later on. But right now, it's just the digital journal kits, one per quarter, that you get for free. Okay, I know it's not free because you're paying a membership. But, yeah, that's what I can do. So, don't feel obligated. You don't have to. We'll work something else out. I have some friends that give certain donations in certain places, and I just send them the kit for free. I mean, you know, we'll work something out, okay? All right. Let me see what else I put on my list. I covered that and that. Okay, yeah, this is just the beginning. I'm still learning a lot of things about this. I don't know all the things yet. It has been approved. It will start April 1st. It's not April Fool's. It really is going to start April 1st. It will be available to do a digital journal kit per quarter. And I've got a new journal kit coming out right after April 1st. So if you're going to join the membership, wait till you see that video. I try to do some videos ahead and some are not, and some are, I don't know where I am on the timeline, but I'm getting this out before that video, so there's a new journal kit coming out, just in case you didn't know. Okay. So anyways, this one was a custom order. It was a little complicated. All right. This journal is a guy's journal. All right. And this person didn't want pockets, didn't want lace or trim of any kind. They didn't want, they just wanted it for a writing journal. Okay. That's complicated and not as easy to make. Okay. This one is just covered in faux leather. I have a few little embellishments that were approved by the person. Okay, so it's beautiful, but it leaves no room for error at all when you're doing one like this. It has to be precise, and you can't cover up any boo-boos because, you know, I did put this was approved. I laminated some of the paper, and then I made a, you know, an expandable back here so they could put stuff in there. I just laminated one side of the paper, so, you know. Anyways, this was, and I designed the papers just for this journal. It's just for writing. I think it's beautiful. It's just, you know, it's just custom to what they wanted. And so yeah, there's they wanted it to be able to sit on a shelf, and they wanted it to not have a bunch of embellishments and no trim. So that was hard. It really was. Okay, so this is these stickers that I put on here. They are, you might say, oh, stickers. No, this is a UV, it's a DTF UV sticker, which is a little pricey. Yeah, it costs a little bit. You have to special order them. But they're on there, and dude, they're not coming off, even off of a faux leather. Yeah. So if you don't have a heat press, I didn't want to put this in a heat press because I was afraid that it would be, you know, and I had to be very precise on putting it on here, so there was no room for error. So I had to do the UV, DTF UV stickers. But if you ever want to do something like this, it's a little shiny, for a journal, and you don't have a heat press, this is the way to go. Or that's what I think anyways. Okay, so that's going to go to the recipient very soon. And anyways, you guys let me know what you think about this membership thing. I want to make it as good as I can, and include everyone. I'm not an exclusionist person. I like to include everyone and share everything that I can share. My freebies will still be going, of course. My journal making videos will still be going. But the membership is something I'm adding in because of times and seasons, I guess. You know, anyways. Okay. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.